going on, guys? Thought I would take you guys out with me to get the old Scat pack a quick wash and dry it off. Try to get some footage. I'm sure you guys like to see this stuff, and I love to show it to you guys, so it's a win-win scenario. The car's been doing well. I'm now over 1,000 miles. I will have to do my 1,000 mile review of the car. We're actually at 1,100 miles. Car's been good so far, and it's been so much fun to drive, I'm telling you guys. As I've said plenty of times before. But yeah, I just gotta get out of the house for a little bit. You know, I am check out that SXT over there. A lot of people, you know, they have the Challenger, but they have these 6 cylinders, which is like cool, but I know it's not as much as fun as driving an 8-cylinder. I'm sure the Hellcats are a lot more fun too, but you know, there's pride to be had in a naturally aspirated V8 Dodge Challenger, 6.4 liter. It's plenty of power to play with, plenty of fun. So yeah, we're gonna go to the car wash real fast. A little bit of wheel spin there, and clean this car up a little bit. So I'm still using Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray, and as you can see, we're getting a lot of beading and quick water sheeting as we spray the car down. I actually don't need to use soap to knock this dirt off. I just rinse it with water and it comes right off. Look how fast the water comes off after you spray it. You can't even see it sheet, really. Let's see here. So I have to say I'm very happy with the product. Even on the flat parts, like on the trunk, along the spoiler there. Alright, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and dry this thing. As you can see, water is nice and beady. Makes it a lot easier to dry. If I had had my other towel with me, I would have been able to drive this thing a whole lot faster. But this chamois works pretty nicely. Nice Camaro. Not. He really should dry his car, but whatever. So spend a few minutes drying this, and after we're done, maybe I'll be able to go somewhere and shoot a little montage with the Canon. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.